Hi, this is Terry with Mercedes-Benz of Ben. I'm going to do a short demonstration on a nice feature that happens to be on this 2018 GLE Mercedes called Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And all you're going to need is just a simple USB with a connection to your phone. And you're going to open up the console here, and you have one of two USB ports. You're going to plug it into the bottom one here with your USB port, and the other one's going to go in the phone. But before I plug that in, I want to just let you know that what this will do for you, basically, it's giving you a lot of versatility with your phone. Once I plug this in, if you'll notice up on the screen here, as soon as I plug it in, it's going to come up on the screen activating Apple CarPlay, in this case, because I do have an iPhone here. And what you're going to see is what you normally would see on your phone. All of your phone messages, your text messages. You have the ability to use the navigation on your phone. If I go to the side menu over here and click on Maps, you'll see there's destinations at the very top. Once I do that and highlight it, you notice on the far right hand side on the top there is a microphone. And I'm going to scroll over to that microphone and highlight it in blue. And when I've done that, now I can just click on this command button down here. I'm going to put in a destination just to show you how it works. It's very simple.
Where would you like to go?
513 Northwest Newport Avenue, Bend, Oregon.
Giving directions to 513 Northwest Newport Avenue, Bend.
So it's that fast. Pulls up the address. All I need to do now is I see the go button is highlighted, and it's starting route guidance. It's going to take me turn by turn right to where I want to go. I can do the same thing if I want to with looking for a point of interest like a restaurant, anything like that. That's just a short video on how Apple CarPlay and Android Auto works. If you ever have any other questions or interest in a Mercedes or any pre-owned vehicle, please call Terry at Mercedes-Benz of Ben, 541-678-0312. Thanks for watching.
Kendall, let's start something great.